This is to show you how to add a case for a new Team Empower item to be sent out. If you don't have cases in your navigation bar, you can find it by going to the dots on the left and search case and click on it. And if you go to cases often, you can add it as a header on your navigation bar by pressing the pencil all the way on the right. And these are all of the things you see up top. So you could add more items, click all, and go to cases, and click the plus sign, and then add one nav item on the bottom here, and save. So now you'll see cases up top. So we're in the cases object, so press new. And for these Team Empower things, it's going to be other. Next. And there's a few fields to select. Go to the constituent. The contact name. The type is actually what it is. This is alphabetized, so arm warmers or just run glove. If there's any notes about it, for example, there was something about a size arm warmers, type in the subject the notes or something. And that's basically it. Case origin is mandatory. It doesn't matter what you select. The status defaults as new. Domain defaults as US. So basically the type, any notes as the subject, any further notes in the description, and that's it. Press save. And then DMP has a list view under the cases object. And this is their case view object, their list view, open cases, and this is the one that we just created. And that's it.